They say the front porch is an American invention. That little parlor on the front of your house, with those easy chairs that say, "Take a load off, stranger. Sit and visit for a spell." Yes, sir, the front porch is a sacred space where the sanctity of the home meets the great primeval wild, full of little turds like this one. And the new Wise Video Doorbell Pro shows you what's out there, head to toe and side to side, right in your face, bigger, wider, and sharper than ever before. Greet the wondrous outside world with package detection, pet detection, and person detection, captured at your doorstep and special delivered to the palm of your hand. That Girl Scout selling cookies, that milkman, that friendly neighbor with a basket full of freshly picked garden zucchini, just stopping by to say hello. Unlike other doorbell cameras, the chime is included. Plus, it's got a 6-month battery life. Bright-eyed little angel child. There's what's outside, and there's what's inside. And between them is your front porch. A place of greeting, a place of open arms and open hearts. Maybe it's time we recapture some of that spirit. Maybe it's time we dusted off that time-honored old word, welcome. Maybe it's time we open our doors, because when the inside finally opens itself to the outside, magic happens. And that's what makes the American front porch such a magical place.